Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode of Trains At, and today we're at Southampton Central. Located on the South Western Mainline, Southampton Central. You'll be seeing services. Would you shut up, woman? Cool. You'll be seeing services from South Western Railway, GWR, and GTR in the brand of Southern, as you can see over there. Only thing to stand here currently at Southampton Central is 377468, which was my train coming up from Emsworth, that is going back to London Bridge. There is a bit of a problem. There is a bit of a problem going on right now, so there's quite a few trains running late. But something is about to come through Platform 1. Our first train of the day is going to be something. I know, I don't think you don't often get fast ones through Southampton, so could this be what I think it is? Could this is going to be one of two things. This is either going to be some freight, or this is going to be a 701. Looks like it's going to be GBRF. So it looks like our first train of the day is going to be a GBRF class 66 going from somewhere to somewhere. Because I haven't got a clue. Looking down the tunnel to see if I can spot the Cardiff service.
Stand behind your line, this train is not going to stop at this station. Stand behind your line.
This is the world's longest cliff ever. It's going to be even longer because this GBRF Class 66 is about to come wading itself through Southampton Central. I can see some lights going into the Southampton Tunnel, but the 66 is on a green, so he should be going through quite fast, quite quickly, yeah. And here it comes, 66766. And also coming in will be the 1411 Great Eastern Railway service to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. And that service is about to pull into platform number 3, which is this platform just over here. I think it's just a 3 car, so pulling in on this one will be a blue 166207. How are half of them still in blue? I still wonder that. So it looks like the blue ones are on the Devon runs, or on like the Devon locals through like Dawlish and that lot, and also here on some Portsmouth runs. Yeah, the 66 is going through. A nice little load of empty wagons there, as you can see. Oh god, this one never ends. I can still see it behind the 377. Okay, it's just finished. There we go. That thing is long. Okay. Right, well that 66 was forming an early running service from Southampton to somewhere. I've already forgotten. Looks like the GWR 166207 is about to start the Cardiff Central run. As also about to put in, I think it's going to be a SWR Class 450 forming a service from Weymouth to Bournemouth. But I think it's been stopped sort of red for some reason, because I think they're going to put this one into 3 as well, so I think that one's going to sit here for a little while. Anyway, 377468 is Now about to make its way off towards Horsham and heading over further to London Bridge. That's 377468. I love that one toggles.
11 minutes. This is because of a fault with the signaling system earlier today.
Oh, that's because it's been... Yeah, the 450, the SWR 450 has been held up because of the Southern. And the Southern's been held up behind the freight. Okay, now about to make its way into platform 3 will be the 1430 South Western Railway service to Winchester from London Waterloo. I was about to think it was going to get a final slight alteration to platform 2 there for a minute, but it's because the points to change it are literally like there. But anyway, coming in on the Bournemouth stopper is 450-121. And this particular service is going to stand here for about 18 minutes to allow the fast train off to Weymouth to go through, and to also our collections off the Weymouth train for London customers. Yeah, the platform 4 is very busy. Okay, hopefully the next train to pull up will be the Southern service terminating here at Southampton Central from Brighton. But I think that one has also just got stuck at a red.
Some stations have short platforms.
I don't know, is it moving? I don't know. I'll pause the camera and see. But I think 450-121 is about to move a bit more forward to head into platform to head up towards 3B, to then allow the Southern train to terminate here.
One is the 1400 London Waterloo service.
444041 pulls in on the delayed 1400 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. From Dorchester South, the service was partially cancelled between Dorchester South and Weymouth due to signalling problems in this area, which has caused all the disruption. Right, 450-121 has shuffled its way up to 3B. I think I know exactly what they're going to do. They're going to send the Southern into this platform, so then the 1420, so then the Manchester train, the cross-country, can then pull into platform 2. Basically, so it doesn't get held up as much. But yeah, the 450s have just stood on platform 3B, as I think the Southern might shortly get the green, or at least the single yellow, to make its way into platform 3A. Is he going to move? Well, the 444s have got the green, so they'll be off incredibly shortly, and I want to give that one a very quick... God, this is utter chaos here. This is why I think some people like swassing it, because it just turns into utter chaos. Anyway, now about to make our way off will be 444041 and one of our classmates on the South Western Railway service going into London Waterloo, as the Southern service that was meant to come in here on platform 2 will now come in on platform 3 and will be formed of 377466. Making their way off will be the very delayed 1400 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Right, now that one's out of the way, they should be able to get the cross country and going to Manchester. Okay, next train to arrive will be the 1424 South Western Railway service to Weymouth and Bournemouth from London Waterloo. I'm guessing the front 5 will continue to Weymouth, the back 5 will decouple at Bournemouth. 444-005 leads in this service. Just there. I think 44029 was on the back. Okay, now about to make their way off shortly from platform. Oh. Right, now about to make their way off from platform 2 will be the 1424 South Western Railway service to Weymouth and Bournemouth, coming in from London Waterloo. And shortly about to put in on platform 1 will be the severe delayed 1415 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. 444-029 heads out on the South Western.
Cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly is delayed by 16 minutes. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
Whoop. Right, now about to make its way out will be 377466, which will be forming the 1419 Southern service to Brighton, starting its journey here at Southampton. You make your weird noises. Go on, off your pop. Go on, bye. 377466. A refurbished one actually makes its way out on the Brighton. The Manchester service is being called. Good, good. Right, now just about to make their way out will be the 1426 South Western Railway service to Winchester from... No, not to Bournemouth from Winchester. You will be able to see them, but you can't because they're right on the end of the platform. There they are. The guy that's doing the announce on platform 1 is really having some issues with his mic. Anyway, shortly go to arrive on platform 1 will be the 1415 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, but I don't think I'll be able to capture that one, as now about to approach will be my personal service, which is the 1436 South Western Railway service to Romsey, as this takes me to Eastleigh. I keep getting watery eyes. I should have really taken hay fever tablets this morning, but I didn't, and I'm really regretting it. It looks like I'm going to get a little 158 to take me to Eastleigh. Let's see where exactly he stopped. But I think it is 158886.
On platform 1 for late line 1450 Manchester Piccadilly service. From one passenger remain behind the line to the train comfortable. Please stop. Also allow passengers to move the train to avoid.
Yeah, there's my 158 just standing there on platform 2. But he's going to leave in about 5 minutes, so I have a couple of minutes still to board in. But also about to approach now will be the very delayed now, but I'm currently up to 17 minutes late, cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth.
1415 cross-country service to Manchester.
You speak for me, Miss Anne.
Southampton Airport.
Well, looks like we've got a double.
Winchester, Basingstoke, Reading, Oxford, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Coventry.
221135 brings this video from Southampton Central to a close. Thank you all very, very much for watching this video from Southampton. Did like you see here, please leave a like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment as you go back to them as when you get the opportunity to. I'm going to join 158886 now. and hello to Eastleigh, and I'll see you guys there. Take care.